What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're gonna be working on the Trailblazer, guys. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We're working on the SS clone today, and we're losing daylight, guys, and it's early. It's 5:30, but we're gonna get right to it, guys. We're gonna be taking off the front bumper and the back bumper, and I'm gonna take them upstairs, guys, and we're gonna mask them off, and we're gonna try to get these bumpers painted white so it can match the rest of the truck. And I'm doing this, guys, because it's a route that I'm taking. It's something that I want to get done. Want to get it out the way, and I just want the truck sitting all one color and situated, guys. So we're gonna be taking off the bumpers real quick, and we're gonna go upstairs, and we're gonna be talking about what's gonna be going on to the channel, guys. If you didn't check out my last video, guys, go ahead and check it out. We got the truck running. The truck's running pretty good. It still has a little bit of glitches here and there. I drove it about 20 minutes. I still need to get in alignment. I still need to get the white pipe done, and I still need to do the tip, and that's pretty much it, guys. The truck's gonna be functioning already. I'm trying to get a true cool for the transmission before anything, but so far it's good, guys. So what's up, guys? We're actually working on the Trailblazer today, and I've been working on the bumpers off camera, guys. I really don't want to bore y'all with much. You know, I taped them up, and I started sanding a little bit on the bumpers. I'm gonna match them to the truck, and I'm actually out here right now, guys, cleaning the truck up. Most of those stains are like really deep in the paint, and like I said in my last video, guys, I rattle cammed her, and she was looking real good, and you know, I guess the grease from all the working on the truck stuck to the paint real bad. So I'm actually doing like a little wet sand process, and I'm gonna show y'all. I already have a fender in the door semi clean, and I'm gonna show y'all that right now. I'm not gonna be recording. I was thinking about doing a time lapse, guys, but on the cool, I don't really think that's interesting enough for y'all to watch. So I'm gonna show y'all right now, and I'm gonna give you updates on, you know, as we go. But let me go ahead and show y'all this door. So I can see, guys, I got this fender in this door, and yeah, I can tell right away, you know, how bad she was looking. And you know, like from the driver door back, like from right here, from this point right here back, it really is not that bad. Maybe I could just wash it off. But this front part, guys, the fender, especially the fender, was really bad. You can see, I'm gonna show you on this side. Like, they're real bad, guys. I don't know how good the camera's picking it up. But we're gonna do the whole truck, guys. We're gonna do the whole truck, and I'm actually doing the bumpers, guys. It's a flat white, old white. I don't remember what it was called, but I'd rather her look, you know, semi white than like that. I'll clean up the wheel a little bit, and the wheels were dirty as well. They've been sitting a while. See, they have all these grease spots everywhere all over the truck, so that's what I'm trying to take care of. But you can tell right away, guys, the big difference on, you know, from the driver door to the back door. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna continue this probably in a little bit. One of my homeboys is coming over, and we're actually heading to the hospital. One of my boys is actually kind of sick, and He's been there for a couple days, and we're gonna go check up on him. So I'm gonna go. He's gonna pick me up. I'm gonna ride with him. We're probably getting into some bullshit, fucking around and shit. And if we do, you know, I'll get some clips. He has a nice ass Ford, one of the new Fords. It's an EcoBoost. I think it's like a twin turbo, or I don't know. I don't even know. I'm not even really sure. I'm not familiar with Ford, guys, so I'm sorry. But we're gonna head upstairs, guys. We're gonna get ready, and we'll see if we get into anything. So we're leaving the hospital, guys, and this is my boy's Ford. I'm not sure what year it is, but this one's clean. It's dropped. I think got some 22s. Is that EcoBoost? It's nice. I'm gonna ask him right now if he could do a couple pulls, maybe rev it up a little bit. But as soon as he comes out, I'll do a walk around and let him talk about what he done to the truck. But what do you guys think? Not a big fan of Fords, but she's nice.
He hears my blog, bro.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we made it home, and on the way over here, as y'all seen, we were fucking around with a little vet. He didn't want to pull or nothing, but I don't know. I think he was scared. I think he saw that sticker in the back of the truck. I think he saw that sticker, and he got scared, guys. I don't know. But my homeboy's about to tell y'all what he got in the truck. It's pretty much stock. I think he just said he got a blowout valve. But I'm gonna let him tell you.
Just a 2018 Ford EcoBoost 2.7 liter, pretty much stock, 10 speed with 3.5 drop and some wheels. Let's see it, man.
It's pretty nice. It's color match all the way around. That was clean. Not really big fan of Ford, but man, that was nice. That was nice. That was pretty cool. Alright, guys, so my boy just left, and we still got a couple hours, maybe like 1 or 2 hours left of sunlight, and I want to continue working on the Trailblazer, guys. So I'm gonna go upstairs, get changed, and I'm gonna come back downstairs, guys. And I don't want to make this video too long, guys, so I'm gonna go upstairs, change, and I'm gonna talk about what's gonna go on with the channel, what was wrong with the truck and all that. So let me go do that. Be right back. We're back. So okay, guys, let's jump to the Trailblazer. Man, guys, the Trailblazer has been sitting a good while, a good while, and y'all know that, you know, she hasn't been on the channel lately, you know, for the past like 6 months or so. And man, guys, the truck, I don't even know if I should tell you, because man, I feel stupid, but it is what it is, guys. I don't know if y'all remember, guys, a little while back, when I was in the process of building the truck itself, I had gotten an SS cluster off of OfferUp for 60 bucks, and they're usually like 120, 100 bucks, and I was like, man, 60 bucks is a good deal. 60 bucks is a good deal. So man, I jumped on it. I went ahead and got it, and that gauge cluster, guys, that gauge cluster, it said it had 1.25 a tank, you know, above a 1/4 tank. So yes, guys, yes, this whole time, guys, the truck didn't have gas. That was it. That was it. Other than the little intake leak that it had in the front, that was it, guys. That was it. And the truck's been sitting there, guys, rotting away because it didn't have gas. It is what it is, guys. And the only reason I found out, guys, that it was missing gas, them airplanes, man. Every time. The only reason, guys, I was parting out the truck. And I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna part it out. If you have me on Facebook or Instagram, you know, you should have known that I was parting it out. So I was like, man, I want to get rid of the whole truck at once. I don't want to be parting it out. I don't want to mess with it, whatever, blah blah blah. I posted it up for 1,500. Nobody wanted her, guys. Literally nobody wanted her. Then right after that, I was like, fuck it, I just don't want to see the truck no more. I lowered the price down to 1,200, and I was like, man, it got to go. It's gonna go. Somebody's gonna come get it. No, nothing. She's still here. So I was like, fuck it, man. Let me get 1,000. Una milpa. You know how they say it? Una milpita. Nothing, guys. Still, nobody wanted the truck. So I was like, man, whatever, fuck it. It is what it is. I guess I'm stuck with her. I'm guessing because she looked ugly, or she's ugly, or whatever. You know, she just needs a little bit of love. But I don't know. Maybe it was in God's faith. He didn't want me to get rid of the Trailblazer. I don't know. So we ended up, guys, parting it out, and the only thing that we sold was the SS airbag and the cluster, and that was it, guys. That was it. I still had the stock parts, so I ended up putting back the stock airbag and the stock cluster. And my girl was like, hey, how come you don't try to put some gas in it, or, you know, put the battery on and mess with it a little bit, and you know, just see how it goes. So I said, fuck it, you know, I ain't got shit to lose. I ended up going to Harbor Freight, picked up some little tools, and I put the battery, guys, I cleaned it up, and I put the cluster in, and I was like, what the fuck? This bitch has no gas. And as soon as I put gas, guys, she fired right up. I will turn it on right now, guys, but the battery on that hoe is no good. She's been sitting a long ass time. But we're gonna have to wait, guys, on the alignment, probably till the weekend. If not this weekend, it's gonna be the following weekend. You know, it's all good. And you know, after the alignment, you know, we're gonna do the exhaust. We're probably gonna do them together, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's why I'm cleaning her up and putting her back together all the way, because she's done. she's done. Like, that's it, guys. There's no more. Like yeah, I'm gonna put some more money into her. Maybe I'm gonna put some more parts. Yeah, I know that, but not right now. Not right now, because it comes down to what I want to do next year. And we're obviously gonna be working on the Tahoe too, guys. I've been slacking. We're gonna be working on the Tahoe too. We're gonna be doing some stuff to it. Starting by getting the 2 back tires because I need them. But next year, guys, we're trying to go to a lot more car shows, a lot of more truck meets. We're actually planning of going to the Cali truck invasion, and you know, trying to go out there for a little bit, and you know, there'll be something different. You know, we usually, me and my girl, take one trip a year, either out of town or out of state or something. So this year we're gonna try to go out there. I know the tickets went on sale on Black Friday, if I'm not mistaken. So that should tell you something. And yeah, guys, we're gonna try to enjoy the trucks more. I'm also thinking about going to the Colorado truck invasion, but I know for sure it's gonna be one of them, guys, for sure. So yeah, you know, I want to ride along. You know, go ahead, more than welcome to. You know, I love the support. I appreciate everything, guys. So that's what's coming up, guys. That's what's coming up for the channel. And we're gonna be getting one more truck, guys. Just one more truck. You know, last year, this year pretty much, I did a lot, but not a lot. And I didn't really, I don't know, the black truck, the center cab, at the end I lost interest, guys. She kept on needing more and more and more and more. That's why I could never really work on the truck physical wise, as you know. Like, I wanted to do a lot of more stuff, like I wanted the seats, and I wanted to change the back bumper. I wanted to do the HD front, but the truck, it was at a point that the truck didn't get no maintenance from the previous owner, so everything was falling back. The rear main seal start, I think, was kind of messed up. I had barely changed the transmission. The suspension in the front needed the sway bar links already, and I was like, bro, I'm gonna put one in. I'm gonna put some money in it. I'm gonna put those parts, and it's gonna keep on. It's gonna keep on. So I was like, man, bro, I might as well cut my losses right now and get rid of it. And you know, that's it. Because the landlord, on top of that, guys, the landlord was trying to charge me an extra $50 just for a parking space, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna be paying that. If I don't use one of them, I might as well get rid of one. So I ended up getting rid of the standing cab, and the Trailblazer stayed, and the Tahoe stayed. So that's that, guys. Pretty much that's that. I'm gonna go ahead, guys, and end this video right here, because it's gonna be a pretty long video. I'm thinking so, I don't know, but y'all stay cool, y'all keep pushing, guys. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you not subscribed, consider subscribing. There's gonna be more to come, guys, more. And this is just the beginning, guys, just the beginning. So y'all stay cool. God is good. Keep pushing.